John Rowe é o gerente da fábrica há 15 anos e ele nos explica que aqui reciclagem também é norma.
There's no waste, or very little waste. It's a closed circuit. So we take the recycled plastic and then any offcuts and everything like that, we put it into a bin. It gets taken away, they chop it up into pellets, and it comes back to us in recycled plastics.
Os analistas da indústria só tecem elogios à madeira plástica em relação à madeira, digamos, de verdade. É resistente à umidade, não produz farpas, é fácil de limpar, inclusive pichações, tem vida útil longa.
To maintain real wood, you need to seal it from the weather, which involves priming and undercoating and then putting multiple coats of paint on it. With our material, the colour is embedded all the way through the material in the extrusion process. So if you cut into our material, it just exposes the same colour all the way through.
Na fábrica, oferece condições de trabalho mais seguras do que numa carpintaria convencional.
With wood, you get a lot of dust. It gets into the machinery. A lot more solvents are being used in the manufacturing process because you have to keep everything extremely clean. So you're using more oils, more solvents to keep things very, very clean. But with ours, there's no dust. It's very clean, and you don't have, our guys mostly don't have to wear those masks so they can breathe and everything like that. All they have to do is wear the ear protection, eye protection. And they don't have to worry about anything respiratory because it's a clean product. It's a heavier product, so you're not getting dust.
Se o país é o maior fabricante de madeira plástica, é porque aqui sobra matéria-prima. A cada ano, 100 bilhões de sacolas plásticas são distribuídas em lojas e supermercados. De conveniência viraram um problema. Muitas abarrotam lixões e ameaçam a vida marinha. Segundo o Programa de Proteção Ambiental da ONU, sacolas e garrafas de plástico compõem 80% do lixo produzido pelo homem que chega até o mar. Mas muitas dessas sacolas viram madeira plástica, usada principalmente na fabricação de decks. Uma das líderes desse mercado utiliza 1,5 bilhão de sacolas a cada ano em sua produção.
As the new technologies come out and more and more is recycled, that's what we look to use.
A madeira plástica também é usada em paisagismo. O contorno da pista de caminhada pode parecer um detalhe que não faz muita diferença, certo? Errado.
When we have as many acres of property as our department has and making constant improvements to our properties, our trails, our pathways, our planting areas, when you add all those edges up, it's just miles of plastic that you're not or miles of wood that you're not using.
O paisagista Tom Gibson é encarregado pela manutenção de mais de 400 parques e praças da Grande Los Angeles.
We also use them on equestrian type fencing, and that can go for a long ways, and many things like that. Our main focus is really on using recycled product in place of wood, so that actually includes a lot of recycled plastic products. And by that, even this playground behind me is, for the most part, a completely recycled product.
Segundo a Associação de Fabricantes de Madeira Biossintética, a indústria deve registrar um volume de vendas de 5,5 bilhões de dólares no próximo ano. Isso porque o material tem sido muito usado em reformas. E aqui é possível descontar do imposto de renda qualquer melhoria feita com recursos sustentáveis. E hoje, para um vendedor, falar em proteção ambiental ficou bem mais fácil. How has your sales pitch changed in the past few years?
Going back to the beginning, I'd meet somebody and start talking to them about the material and they're like, what are you talking about? We don't know anything about this. These days, the majority of people know about plastic lumber, or greenwood as we call it, and they see the benefits of it straight away.
Is it rewarding to be in an industry like this?
To do well in any company you're in, and you've got to love what you're doing. And clearly, this has been a great material. As a kid growing up, I used to love playing in the garage with wood and those sorts of things, building things. And here it's almost an extension of my childhood. Now I get to build on a grand scale. Not quite wood, but it's better.
Some people talk about doing something for the environment, but we're really involved with the grassroots of the environment. You can't get any more green than taking stuff that would have been in a landfill for thousands of years and making something that somebody could use for 20, 30 years.
No programa de hoje você viu que o problema causado pelo descarte monumental de plástico no meio ambiente pode ser parcialmente resolvido com a destinação inteligente desse resíduo. Ele pode se transformar em madeira plástica. Quanto mais madeira plástica houver, menos destruição de florestas haverá. Mais informações sobre os assuntos mostrados aqui hoje, acesse o link do Cidades e Soluções no site da Globo News ou o nosso blog. Até a próxima.
Se eu era mais novo, eu ia fazer uma casa dessa, só desse material, nada mais.